Here are 3 natural minor licks that take place in the key of G minor. Alright, and now with this one, the first one, which is... This one has some string skipping in it. So how I'm kind of thinking about it is I'm starting on my root note, and I'm kind of taking, at first I'm taking place of, in my D minor scale, or D minor scale shape, not scale, D minor scale. And now I'm kind of going between my D minor and my C minor kind of chord shapes and my scale shapes in order to kind of go through this lick. I'm starting on my root note on the 4th string, 5th fret, and I'm going to be hammering on my 8th fret on the 4th string. Now next I'm going to be going to my 6th fret on the 2nd string. I'm going to be hammering on my 10th fret on the 2nd string. Now I'm going to be going down to on my 1st string, my 6th fret to my 10th fret on my 1st string, and be hammering on and pulling off, and then going back 1 fret to my 5th fret on my 1st string. So it goes 5th to 8th on the 4th string, 6th to 10th on the 2nd string, and then 6th to 10th, hammer on and pull off on the 1st string, and then go back down to the 5th fret. Now I'm going to be going from my 8th fret on my 2nd string down to the 4th fret. So that's kind of a big jump right there. And now I'm kind of heading into my E minor scale shape. So that is my 8th fret on the 2nd string, my 4th fret on the 2nd string, and then slide back to the 3rd fret. Now I'm going to be going to my 5th fret on the 3rd string, sliding back from using my 1st finger on the 3rd fret to the 2nd fret, and then I'm going to be going to the 3rd fret on my 4th string, 5th fret on my 5th string. I'm going to be sliding that one up to the 6th fret, so here, where I left off. 8th to 4th, slide back down to the 3rd fret, all on the 2nd string, 5th on the 3rd string, to the 3rd, down to the 2nd, 3rd on the 3rd string. This is my 3rd fret on the 4th string, 5th fret. Now I'm going to be sliding up to my 6th fret on the 5th string, 3rd fret on the 3rd string, and then 3rd finger on the 4th fret on the 4th string, 5th fret. Alright, now this next one, the second lick, which is... This is going to be taking place in my A minor shape scale. So that's, again, shape because I'm still in the key of G minor. And I'm going to be hammering on for I'm going to start out with my 1st finger on the 10th fret, 3rd string. And then I'm going to be doing a series of 10th to 11th fret kind of hammer-ons and pull-offs on my 2nd string and on my 1st string. So I hammer on 10th to 12th on the 3rd string. Hammer on from my 10th to my 11th on my 2nd string. And hammer on from the 10th to 11th on my 1st string. This time I'm going to also pull it off. 10th to 12th, 10th to 11th, 10th to 11th, back to 10th. Now I'm going to be moving my 3rd finger up to the 13th fret on the 2nd string. Pulling off from my 13th to my 11th fret on my 2nd string, then going down to the root note, which is going to be on the 3rd string, 12th fret. Now I'm going to be hammering on and pulling off from my 11th fret to my 13th fret on my 2nd string. Then be bending on my 13th fret. I'm going to be aiming for that note right there. My 3rd lick, which is... Alright, now this one, I'm kind of going between 3 different shapes here. My first one is going to be my A minor shape, just like the 2nd lick. Next, I'm moving up to my G minor shape, and then finally to my E minor shape. Alright, so how it's going to go is I'm actually doing the same notes just in 3 different places, same group of notes in 3 different places. So I'm going to start with on the 6th string, 10th fret. Hammer on my 11th fret on the 6th string. I'm going to go to my 10th fret on my 5th string, then 13th fret on my 5th string. I'm going to be going back 1 fret to the 12th fret on the 5th string, and I'm doing a quick bend. now I'm going to be moving my first finger to the 12th fret on the 4th string. I'm going to be going 12th fret to 13th fret, hammer on. I'm going to be going down to the 12th fret on the 3rd string, 15th fret on the 3rd string, and then do a quick bend on the 14th fret. So both those together. 10th to 11th, 10th to 13th, bend on the 12th, 14th fret on the 4th string, 12th or 12th fret on the 4th string, 12th, 13th, 12th to 15th on the 3rd string. Now I'm going to be going down to the 2nd string, 15th fret, 15th, 16th, 15th on the 1st string, on the 2nd string, 15th on the 1st string, 18th, and then a quick bend on the 17th fret. I'm going to be going to the 18th fret on the 2nd string. A minor shape.